Hi teachers, so this is the lesson for electric flock. So when you get the cardboard, it's all about electrical circuit. So because this model is quite difficult, so you better start as soon as possible. Of course, you can still talk about what is electrical energy. So you can ask the kid, where can we get the electrical energy? What can it change to, like heat energy or light energy? So you can have a brief introduction and then just start this work as soon as possible. So when you get the board, this is that we prepared, so the wire is already linked up. And first of all, what you need to do is, I think you need to ask the kid to just use a pencil to poke the holes, because from the other side it's quite hard to see the hole. So there should be 15 holes, so you just poke it, okay, make it bigger, but not too big, because you are going to use paper fastener, so it's too big then cannot hold it, so just poke it. Okay, so you poke the holes. After that, you ask the students to draw the line that they are going to the game board. How can the electric flock jump? Okay. For example, you can show them an example like this. So you ask them to draw a shape. Okay. So this is what we want them to do. Just draw the shapes first. Okay. After that, we provide them the tinfoil with holes, so the hole is already made. Okay. So this tinfoil is a bit stiff. It's not like the tinfoil you use in the kitchen. So this is better because with the holes already, then you can fit into the paper fastener. And also, if you want to shorten it, then you just fold it like this. Then you can shorten the length. Okay, we cut it as long as like the longest one here. So we measured the longest length here, and then but some of them need to be shortened. So you just throw them like this. Okay, so after they draw the diagram, okay, then they can fix it on. Okay, so they use the paper fastener. Okay, and then they fix it line to line. So first of all, maybe this line. So you fix one. Just make sure they're touching to each other, and then like this. Now you find this is a bit too long, right? Then you just shorten it. Okay, fold it like this. Then it will work, right? And then the next one. Ask them to close the paper fastener at the end, because if you close it, then you can open it again. So just close at the end. So you match the holes. Okay. Once they match two of them, then they can open it. Close it. Okay. We'll make the holes for you guys, okay? Don't worry. This is not long. So I don't make all of them. Okay, I just try some. And the most difficult part may be the circuit part. So I think what you need to do is you need to prepare to wire up for that. Okay. So just make sure because some class you use LED. So just make sure the long leg and the short leg. So short leg is the negative, long leg is the positive. So from the battery holder, the red is positive. So the red is positive, so you connect to the long leg, okay? And the short leg, you need to connect to the other end of the tin foil, okay? The end of the tin foil. You can connect to the end of the tin foil. So how about the other wire? So the black wire from the battery holder that to get through this little hole. You can find a little hole here. And then you just flip over the thing. Flip over. And then they can test. So they will have a paper float, and then you stick on the clip. So everything will be used clip, so it's easier rather than wire. So because everything is clip. Okay. So you use the crocodile alligator clip, and then you fix it to the wire from the battery holder. Close it. Now we can test by moving the. Can you see the lights? I'm not sure because the camera is not good. But you can test by touching the paper fastener. Okay. So if the circuit is closed, then you can see the light bulb lights up. Okay. So I think it takes one lesson, this one. So when you fold the cardboard, maybe you need to tape it also. Because at the corner, maybe you need to use tape to tape it to make it better. Okay. So that's all for electric flux. Thank you.